Welcome, it's Samantha from Motor Group LLC in Scottsdale. I am excited to tell you about this gorgeous BMW X6 Sport utility. This one just came in on trade from a local owner. We have some amazing financing options available, zero down with zero hassles and quick approvals. Good credit, bad credit, we are here to get it done. We know you are going to love this BMW X6. See more details at motorgroupllc.com or come see us today in Scottsdale. We are just south of the Scottsdale quarter at 7326 East Evans Road. I hope to see you real soon. Bye-bye for now.